Hello, dear students. My name is Veronika, and I am a professional certified Russian teacher with already 7 years of teaching experience. And of course, I am a Russian native speaker, and I am based in such a lovely city, Moscow, the capital of Russia. And today, as I promised, we will be talking about very, very important grammatical theme. It is Russian gender. Why is it important? I need to say, because all the next grammar will be connected with gender, almost all. So you must know Russian gender perfectly. If you don't know, it means you have a very bad base and you will make lots of mistakes in future and nobody will be able to understand you. Might probably. So, I would like to start from what a surprise alphabet, but we will not read it. Just I want to specify that we have 10 vowels. They are read on the picture. A, Е, Ё, И, О, У, И, Ю, Я. So they are vowels. It's very important. And all the blue letters, they are consonants. And these two, for now, we can somehow forget about them. Okay, and now we have in Russian language 3 genders. It's very important because in some other languages you don't have genders at all, or might be you have 2 genders like masculine and feminine. In Russian we have 3. First one is masculine. Every word which is masculine gender you can replace with a personal pronoun on. On. Here it is written. On means he. He. Next one is feminine. In Russian language, every feminine gender word can be replaced with the personal pronoun она. It is written here. Она. Она. And for other words which are not masculine and not feminine, we call them neuter. And every word that is neuter, you can replace with this personal pronoun оно. Оно. So we have on, masculine, она, feminine, оно, neutral. Then, how to understand the gender? Like, you found a word somewhere in the text and you don't know what gender it is. It's very easy. You just need to look at the end of the word. Look here, please. Masculine, masculine. If it finishes with a consonant or y, и краткое, y, or soft sign, it is masculine. Отец, ц, ц is consonant. This, I showed you a table with our letters. All these blue letters in the end, they are masculine gender words. Отец, он. We can replace it with on. Чай, чай. Also masculine. We can replace it with on. День, день. Also masculine. On. Отец means father. Отец, father. Чай, чай. Tea, what Russian people loves to drink. instead of vodka. Actually, I don't know, it's very huge stereotype that Russian people and Russian men and sometimes women also, they drink a lot of vodka. For example, we say in Russian not vodka, we say vodka, vodka. Actually, right now, no. I have lots of friends. They are from all over the world. And from my opinion, Russian people do not drink as much as foreigners. This was quite surprising for me, actually. So, отец, consonant, masculine. Чай, consonant, masculine. День, soft sign, soft sign, this one, is a little bit tricky. It can be masculine and feminine, and I will explain later this theme in this video later. So all these are masculine, and you can replace it with on. Next, feminine, она, она. We again need to look at the end of the word. If it is finishing with a, я, or again tricky soft sign, it is feminine gender. Mama, mama means mother. Of course, it is feminine, and you can replace it with она. Тетя, тетя. It means aunt, like a sister of your mother, and you can replace it with она again. Осень, осень means autumn, and you can replace it with она. All these words are feminine gender. The last one is neuter, and you can replace with оно, оно. Again, you look at the word ending, and if it's finished with o or е, it's neuter gender. Look here. Небо, небо. It means sky, небо. Солнце, солнце means sun on the sky, солнце. So as easy as that. You just look at the end of the word. If you see consonant or y, it's masculine. If you see a, ya, feminine. If you see o, ye, neuter. But of course, we have something else. It's Russian language. It cannot exist without any expressions. Oh, no, exceptions. So I wrote this table by myself. It means it's a little bit not perfect, but okay. So here, soft sign, we have two options, either masculine or feminine. I wrote words that finish with a soft sign and they are masculine here and feminine here. I will read them. The truth is that you need to memorize. Just memorize. If you see soft sign, you need to think if you know or you don't know the gender. There is no rule. But actually, some words that finish most probably at ost, есть, ад, ов, they are feminine gender. Let me write them. Wait a second. I will write here. If you see in the end of the word something like ad, ов, ость, есть, most probably these words are feminine gender, like 99%. Okay? So I read it. masculine that you can replace with on. День means day. Рубль means ruble, our currency. Словарь, dictionary. Картофель, potato. And once more. День, рубль, словарь, картофель. All of them are masculine. And now we move on to feminine, which you can replace with она. Она. Жизнь. Жизнь means life. Любовь. Любовь means love. Тетрадь. Copybook. Тетрадь. Ночь. Night. And I read once again. Жизнь. From here. Жизнь. Любовь. Тетрадь. Ночь. So you know now the rule, but be careful, very careful with tricky soft sign. In Russian language, we call this tricky letter мягкий знак. Мягкий знак. By the way, I know that a lot of foreigners, they struggle how to pronounce мягкий знак. And even you don't hear the difference, it's like a very, very small E in the end of the word. For example, if you say брат means brother, and you want to say брать, to take, брать, to take, it's a little difference, брат, брать, да? It's a little movement of the tongue, брат, брать, брат, брать, брат, брать. It's your teeth and the plate, yeah, and the tongue moving like this, брат. But if you want to say soft, more soft, you need to a little bit move it down, брать, брать, брать. Okay, good. I hope you understand this. Okay, and the next, I wrote some exceptions here. They are very important. In Russian, exception is исключения. 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 Exceptions. So, for masculine gender, look here, please. Papa. Papa means father, finishing with a, but of course, father cannot be feminine. So we say it's masculine gender. Papa, он. The same story with дядя. Дядя. Дядя is uncle, brother of your mother. So дядя, of course, it is on masculine gender again. The same story with дедушка. Дедушка means grandfather. It finishes with a, grammatically should be feminine gender, but of course, дедушка cannot be a woman. And дедушка is again masculine gender, and we replace it with on, дедушка. Again, the same story, мужчина. Мужчина means man, in general, man, and it is on again. Кофе. Кофе. It's very tricky. Some dictionaries, they say, like all dictionaries, they say coffee is masculine and you must replace it with on. But already I hear quite often, and some dictionaries also write that coffee is somehow neuter gender. It actually should be grammatically neuter gender because it finishes with yeah, But somehow, like in our grammatical tradition, it is normally masculine gender. Кофе, он. And now it's a funny story. We have short names like nicknames. Here I wrote the full name. It's all masculine names and a short name here. So, for example, Vladimir, 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 like our president, Vladimir Putin. If you are a friend of him or any other Vladimir, you can call this man Volodya, Volodya, Volodya. It finishes with ya. It looks like a feminine gender, but it's, of course, a man. Volodya, ya. So we replace it with on again. Николай, Николай, Николай. And the short name is Коля, Коля. Alexander, Alexander, Alexander. Short name. We have lots of different short names, but I choose some most popular ones. Sasha, Sasha, Sasha. Shura, 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 Shura. And next one, Mikhail, Mikhail, Mikhail. And short one, Misha, Misha. Dmitry, Dmitry, Dmitry. Dima, Dima. So I would like to do something like this. All these parts of names look like feminine grammatically because it finishes with a or ya. But remember that all these names are masculine. It's tricky. So now I hope that you understood this very important grammar rule about Russian gender, and would be very nice if you practice a lot, if you just take a book or even a dictionary, because it's very good. Because in dictionary, normally the gender is written like masculine, feminine, or neuter, and you just don't look at the notes and you read the word and think if it is masculine, on, or feminine, ana, or neuter, ano, and then you can check yourself. I think it's a very good exercise for foreigners. And yeah, I think that next time we will be reading a poem, Russian poem. I already choose one. It's a very beautiful poem about Russian winter and Russian nature and birds and very cold, but also very cozy atmosphere. And yeah, it's very beautiful poem. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you knew some new information from my video. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I think you say it like this in English. And hit the like button again. And see you soon. Пока-пока.